In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the 1var stats function in the TI-83 or TI-84 calculator. In order to find a confidence interval when you're given data rather than statistics, you need the sample mean and the sample standard deviation. I'll show you in a later video how to do this full problem. For now, I'll show you how to use the list function to calculate these two statistics. To enter your list into the calculator, hit the Stat button. Edit is already selected, so hit Enter. You might have data from a different problem already in there. To quickly clear out all of the existing data, hit the up arrow until L1 is highlighted. Hit the Clear button, then Enter. Now you're ready to key in each of the numbers. Hit Enter after each one. 5460, Enter, because they should all be in L1. Things to check before you calculate the statistics is, number one, to count up the data pieces. In this example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last value, 9930, is in row 7. That shows you that you have the right number of data values. Number two, you should check that your data values weren't keyed in incorrectly. This is time well spent. Quitting out, second, mode. This will bring you back to the main screen. To calculate the statistics on the list that you just entered, hit Stat. Now go over to Calc. 1var stats is already selected. Hit Enter. Make sure the list says L1. Go down to Calculate. Hit Enter. And it'll show you all the statistics based on your list. The things that you're interested in are X bar. So in this example, X bar rounded to one place is 7,041.4. And there are two standard deviations showing. One is S sub x, the other is sigma sub x. Since this example calls for a sample standard deviation, you'll use S sub x, which rounded to one place will be 1,610.3. As I said, in a separate video, I'll show you how to do this confidence interval problem to completion.